Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the board 2024-25 science question paper, how the pre-mock, mock test, assignments, capsules courses of Pathfinder can help you to score the very secure and good marks in your board examination for the science. Okay, now let's start. This is the first question. Consider the following chemical equation, balancing based question. Balancing based questions already came in Pathfinder pre-mock test problem 7, quarterly problem 8. Now these types of question in your science paper came in type of different digits, but the main content will be same. For example, this is a balancing type questions where the values are given as a P, Q, R, S. We have to identify, and the same pattern of questions given in Pathfinder examination as W, X, Y, Z. So the main content or the thinking skills for the questions remain same. Okay, can you move for the next question? This is a matching of column A and column B, or column 1 or column 2. Again, the options being given. Same type of questions are not necessary come in the examination. It's not necessary. But the similar or the content based questions already given for the Pathfinder students in their pre-mock examination as in problem 12. See, the entire content of this question and in these questions are same. So we are going to focus the main content of the question. Done? Next question. This is also a question from the biology, the part of the brain which maintain the posture and the balance of the body. The options are given. Same questions or the same thinking skills questions came in the mock problem 11. There was a cerebral dysfunction in a patient, which is the following activities will get disturbed in this patient as a result of this. So these are the functionalities which appear for the brain. Okay. Next question. This question is come from the physics. Absolute refractive index of water glass is 4/3 and 3/2 respectively. If the speed of light in glass is 2 × 10⁸ meter per second, the speed of light in water is. The question came in your board examination 2025, set 1, page 9, question number 11. Same question given in Pathfinder midterm. The problem number was 19B. The problem number was 19B. So we can see the questions are similar, are very much similar. Even the thinking skill, the contents, all are similar. Next question. Question number 13. This is again the questions of physics. A wire of length L is gradually stretched so that its length increases to 3L. If its original resistance is R, then its new resistance will be option based question, that is MCQ. Similar question or similar type questions was given in capsule course, page 6, problem 3. We mention the page number, we mention the question number, we mention even from where these questions came, the capsule course, the mock, pre-mock question paper, whatever it is. So when the question being common for your board examination, when you going to be practice all this pre-mock, mock, capsules, the class assignments or the material we provide you, it will help you to increase your score. It will help you to make yourself confident for your board examination. Move for the next. The strength of the magnetic field. This is again a question of the physics. Same questions or same type of questions being came in your study material 2, page 3, problem number 4. Okay, this is the most important part because assertion reasons questions are very difficult to solve, isn't it? So this is assertion reasoning based question, again came from the biology. The same questions was given as a descriptive question in your capsule program, page 3, question number 4. How do muscle move? Same similar thinking type of assertion and reason is given in your board examination. Next, again an assertion reasoning type of question. Jute bags for shopping reduce pollution. Jute bags is biodegradable and its bag may be reused as and when needed. So this is a question of chemistry. This is a question of chemistry where the environment effect is being discussed in your capsule course, page 8, question number 3. Next question, question number 21. List the possible sources of energy required in decomposition of the reaction illustrated in one with a suitable example. This is the question, came from the chemistry, from the first chapter, chemical equations and reaction. Similar type of questions was given. Write the balanced chemical equation with any one observation for the following reaction. Anhydrous ferrous sulfate is strongly heated. That means the observation based question is ferrous sulfate strongly heated, means it's a decomposition type question. And they also ask the type of the decomposition, the energy required or the use. So heat is the energy. Heat used as energy in this type question. Next, dry HCl gas does not change the color of dry litmus paper. Why? Very simple question. The entire thing was given in the study material 1, page 30, problem 6. Given below is the Levin diagram to show the preparation of hydrogen chloride gas in laboratory. And from this questions and this question, we cannot find out any difference rather, because all the type or all the thinking skills are same in these kinds of questions. Okay, next. State the main function of veins in human circulatory system. Why do they need to thick walls? This type of question was given in Pathfinder mock problem 26. Or why do arteries have thick and elastic walls whereas veins have valves? Even the language was same. Even the language was same. Not the question, even the language was same in these two questions. So there are many questions which given in your board examination was similar in Pathfinder mock, pre-mock, capsules or the study material provided. So it's very important to prepare yourself for the board examination. Next, question number 24. Explain how the proteins control the characteristics in an organism with the help of an example of tallness trait in pea plant. Name the section of DNA that controls the characteristics in an organism. This question or this type of similar questions was given in the key to success. See, we already mentioned about the key to success in question number 35 or. The question was write the functions of each of the following parts in a human-female reproductive system. Write the structure and functions of the placenta in a human female. So these questions are very much similar. These questions are very much similar. Next question. A student has difficulty in reading his textbook but can read the blackboard clearly while sitting in the last row. Name the defect of the vision the student is suffering from. I think this is a very much long question. List 2 reasons due to which this defect arises. Write the nature of the lens required to correct this defect. These questions or similar type questions came in your midterm examination of Pathfinder question number 12. A person needs a lens of power plus 3.5D. See, the main motto or the main content of this question or the material of these questions are same, but the languages are different, but the answers will remain same. So we have to focus the content of the subject. We need to focus on that. Just because of reason that we can solve this kinds of all the types of questions. Okay, next. Draw a ray diagram to show ray diagram. That means this is a question of physics. To show the path of a ray light falling obliquely on one of the refracting faces of the triangular glass prism and mark the angle of the deviation on it. What happens to a beam white light which passes through a glass prism? See, these both are the same, almost the same types of question are related to the prism, and these are the showing the ray diagram. Very much common question for the physics. Okay, next question. An electric kettle is rated 230 volt, 1000 watt. Calculate the resistance of its heating element when in operation. Again, the question of physics. Now let's see how the Pathfinder helped the student to solve this. The wattage of the bulb is 24 watt. When it is connected to a 12 volt battery, calculate its effective voltage if it operates on a 6 volt battery. So main thing of these two questions are same, maybe the language can be differ. Next, what is a rainbow? Draw a level diagram. Show it. Again, the question is come from the physics, and these similar questions came in the study material 1, page 16, question number 9. When do the light rays get reflected? Click yes or no to the mark of your response. So these are the very much common questions which came in your board examination from the Pathfinder materials question paper, assignments, your class assignments, your pre-mock, your mock, whatever. Consider the rectangular cardboard having two holes P and Q through which a current carry circular loop has been inserted as shown in the diagram. Again, it's a question of physics. Similar questions came in capsule program, page 14, question number 9. AB is a current carrying conductor in the plane of the paper as shown in the figure. That is also the figure-based diagram, figure-based question. This is also a figure-based question. So these are the questions came in your board examination from the material of the Pathfinder. Next. Question number 34. What are alkalis? Give one example. Same thing was given in the study material part 2, page 19, question number 43. What was the alkali? And this is a questions of the case based, or they give some condition based questions. When this will be clay powder, solid A is mixed with. Okay, this is one type of condition based questions, and the options are given. But the same things being appeared. What are alkalis? From these questions you can find out the answer, which helps you to find out the answer of the alkalis, or the questions came in your board examination. See, at the beginning of this video I told you it's not necessary that the language of the questions will be similar. It's not necessary, but the main content or the main subject of the questions will always remain similar. That is the main motto by which, when you are practicing in your class or by your own, then it will enrich you to gain that knowledge, which help you to secure a very good marks in your board examination. Okay, next question number 34. Or with the help of the balanced chemical equation, again process the extraction of the mercury called cinnabar and the copper from its sulfide ore. Fine. Name the main ore of mercury. Name the main ore of mercury. How will mercury obtained from its ore? See, in these two questions, these are completely similar types of question. Completely similar types of question. These questions help you to secure very good marks. Okay. Next, identify the parts X and Y in the figure. This it's a long question. I think this is question number 35. Means it's a case-based question. Name the yellowish colored structure produced by the part level. Write the name of the process. We will go through the entire question. These questions were similar in the mention the reproductive system of a flower. Okay. Next question. Question number 35B. Name the type of the asexual mode of the reproduction shown in the given figure. These are the some picture-based question. And what are the different modes of the asexual reproduction? See, these two questions are very much similar. These two questions are absolutely similar. These questions came in the capsule program, page 5, question number 1. So what we see? We see that the capsule program, mock, pre-mock, this help you, this boost you with the knowledge if you practicing regularly to secure a very, very strong mark in a very strong position for your board examination. Next, question number 36. A refraction of light through a rectangular glass slab, the emergent ray is always parallel to the direction of the incident ray. This is a question of the physics. Pathfinder pre-mock question number 21B. It's already appeared. Will the speed of light increases or decreases if light enters into air or water? So this is the questions which given in your Pathfinder examination, and this is the question which came in your board examination. The main contents are same. Next, question number 36. A student wishes to study the image formation of concave mirror using candle flame. Question of physics. It's already came in the capsule program, physics, page 12, question number 4. An object is placed at a distance of 5 cm from a concave mirror, focal length 5 cm. Draw a ray diagram to show the formation of the image. So these two almost similar questions which came from the capsule program of physics. Okay. Next question. Security mirror used in a big showroom has radius of curvature 5 meter. If a customer is standing at the distance of 20 meters from the cash counter where the mirror is fixed. Find the position, nature, the size of the image formed in the security mirror. See, these similar questions came in the key to the success. Question number 25. The language even same for the board examination. Okay, so the same question appeared in your board examination as we provide in our key to success book. Question number 25. Next, question number 37. Question number 37, see part 1, part 2. What are esters? What happens when an esters react with an alkali? Give chemical equations for the reaction. Complete the following equation. See, ester react with alkali, sodium hydroxide. The entire question given, study material 2 page 9, question 12.1. Next question, what is the causes of hardness of water? Subjects observe that while bathing foam is formed with the difficulty. What are the detergents chemically? List 2 materials of the 2 demerits of using detergents for the cleansing. State the reasons of the suitable detergents for washing. These are also the same types of questions. So as we approach for the end of the question paper, we can find out that most of those questions are common. Even the descriptive part, even the case-based questions, even the MCQ, the VSA type questions, these all are going to be common for a student. Question number 38. A person while climbing up a rocky hill come into a panic state and fear. His body starts reacting the flight or flight condition to adjust to the dangerous and stressful situation. Based on the above facts or the following questions. Okay, name the hormones in the blood of the person in this situation. Name the source gland of the hormone secreted in this condition. So it's a question of biology. The same questions came in pre-mock. Question number 24. Mention the functions of the adrenaline hormone or discuss the different type of movement. So these are the questions which came from the Pathfinder mock examination. This is, I think, again questions of the physics. It's a circuit based questions. Oh, it's a long question. It's a very much long question. I think these are case based questions. Yes, it's a case based question. It's from Key to Success book, question number 36. Same questions or similar type questions appear in your board examination. Okay, it's the end of the slide. And as you see that most of the questions are help you to secure or the score very good marks in your board examination and came from the pre-mock, mock, capsule, study materials of the classroom, Key to Success book, from these things which provided by the Pathfinder to their students. These things actually going to enrich you. These things actually going to help you for making you confident, to making you secure a very, very, very good marks in your board examination. I think this is going to help you very much. Thank you so much.
তাহলে এতক্ষণ স্টুডেন্টস এবং গার্জিয়ান প্রত্যেকে শুনলো যে কিভাবে আমাদের টিচার এক্সপ্লেইন করলো যে সেম অ্যান্ড সিমিলার টাইপ অফ কোয়েশ্চেন্স অ্যাকচুয়াল সিবিএসই এক্সামে আমাদের স্টুডেন্টরা ফেস করেছে, যারা এখানে পাথফাইন্ডারে ক্লাস 10 সিবিএসই মক টেস্ট দিয়েছিল, যারা 2026 সালে সিবিএসই ক্লাস 10 বোর্ড এক্সাম দিতে চলেছ, তাদের জন্য বলি যে তোমরাও যদি চাও পাথফাইন্ডারের মক টেস্ট সিরিজ দিয়ে ঠিক এক্স্যাক্টলি এইরকমই সেম অ্যান্ড সিমিলার কাইন্ড অফ কোয়েশ্চেন্স তোমরা ফেস করবে, আলটিমেট যখন এক্সামে যাবে তোমাদের স্কোর তোমাদের এক্সপেকটেশনের থেকেও হয়তো আরো অনেক বেটার হবে। ইমিডিয়েটলি একটুও না দেরি করে জয়েন করো পাথফাইন্ডারের ক্লাস 10 সিবিএসই মক টেস্ট সিরিজ।